For jersey number 5, Del Moral. Still serving in the service line. Del Moral, jersey number 5. Received by the libero. Inangat. Sunod kay Ganoria, pinalo, score! Nice attack by Ganoria, jersey number 3. Del Moral, jersey number 5, still serving. Received by the libero. Sunod kay Tamba, pinalo. Denied by the net. Del Moral, jersey number 5, still serving. Received by Gayumali. Sinet kay Inover, inangat. Sinet sa open. Top spin by Ganoria. Score for serving Love. Del Moral, jersey number 5, still serving. Received by Tamba. Sinet kay Tamba, pinalo. Score! 1 serving 4. Now serving jersey number 9. Nice backer attack by jersey number 15. Substitution. Gabayo out, Chu in. Score 5, serving 1. Chu, jersey number 2, now serving. Sunod kay Taba, score, block touch by Ganoria, jersey number 3. Score 2, serving 5. Now serving jersey number 16. Service error. Dipa Supil, jersey number 15, now serving. Block. Miscommunication. Sinet. Nice cross-court attack by jersey number overball. Sinet. Pinalo. Nice attack by jersey number 15. Jersey number 16 still serving. Nice attack by jersey number 4. Tamba now serving. Nice patong play by Ganoria, jersey number 3. Score 9, serving 3. Ganoria, jersey number 3, now serving. Received by the libero. Block by jersey number 25. Fahilan. Ganoria, jersey number 3, still serving. Services! Score 11, serving 3. Ganoria, jersey number 3, still serving. Received by the libero. Sinet sa opposite. Dinrapol. Score! Nice drop by jersey number 20. Alaro. Aloro. Aloro now serving. Received by jersey number 5. Nice quick attack by jersey number 25. Fahilan. Substitution. 25 out. 12 in. Castillo. Castillo, jersey number 12, now serving. Hinabol ni Tamba. Inover ng libero, abot kaya, score! 4 touches violation. Jersey number 12, Castillo, still serving. Service error. Score 5, serving 13. Substitution. Galliano in. Zapatero out. Now serving jersey number 4, Cantong. Received by Ganoria, send sa middle, block, score! Nice block by jersey number 28, Galeano. Score 6, serving 13. Cantong, jersey number 4, still serving. Received by Ganoria, send sa opposite, block touch. Net violation committed by jersey number 15. Cantong still serving. Received by jersey number 5. Patong play. Pinalo. One-hand dig. Score by jersey number 15. Anyayahan. Substitution. Anyayahan out. Elostre in. Di Pasupel number 16 out. De Los Reyes 1 in. Now serving jersey number 11, Ilustre. Dig by the libero. Inover ng libero. Attack by Gayumali, score. 8, serving 14.
Puntos para sa Team Oriental Mindoro, 15 serving 8. Player number 5 on the service line, we have Del Moral serving. Double points for Team Kulasi, 9 serving 15. Substitution 7 out, 9 in. Hitchanova on the service line. Blocked by Tamba, player number 18, Kulasi, 10 serving 15. Hitchanova still on the service line. Drop ball by Tamba. And that's a smart place by Gayatano. Oriental Mindoro. 16 serving 10. 7 out, 2 in. Player number 2 on the service line. Check out. Puntos para sa Team Kulasi. Add to cart. 11 serving 16. Player number 28 on the service line. Puntos para sa Team Kulasi. 12 serving 16. Still serving is player number 28, Galiano. Nice attack, Ganoria. Player number 3, Oriental Mindoro. 17 serving 12. Player number 1, De Los Reyes on the service line. Quick attack, player number 18, Tamba. Team Kulasi. 13 serving 17. Tamba serving. Service ace! Tamba! 14 serving 17. Tamba still serving. 1-2 play, binalik ang bola. Block. And that's a points by player number 1, back row, De Los Reyes. Rojas Oriental Mindoro, 18 serving 14. Player number 3 on the service line, Ganoria. Service ace, Ganoria. Rojas Oriental Mindoro, 19 serving 14. Ganoria serving. Down the line, player number 2, Kulasi, Gayumali. Substitution 9 out, 7 in. Score na is 15, serving 19. We have player number 20 on the service line, Aloro. Net touch, Silvano, player number 7. Substitution, 25 out, 12 in. Player number 12 on the service line, Castillo serving. Blocked by player number 5, Del Moral, Rojas Oriental Mindoro. 21 serving 15. Still serving, Castillo. Gayumali, player number 2, Kulasi. Substitution, 5 out, 13 in. Daguno. Player number 4 on the service line for Team Kulasi. Attack error committed by Gabayno. Points for Team Kulasi. 17 serving 21. Player number 4 still on the service line, Kantong. Back row. Once again, inangatang bola to Gariano. Points for Daguno, player number 13, Rojas Oriental Mindoro, 22, serving 17. Player number 11 on the service line, Ilustre. Substitution, 1 out, 16, 11 out, 15 in, 1 out, 16 in. Double substitution for Oriental Rojas. Inside, cross court by Gayumali, player number 2. Kulasi, 18, serving 22. Gayumali on the service line. Gayumali serving. Player number 20. Okay. Team Captain Pandan San Jose. Player number 2, Gayumali, serving. Puntos from Gabayno, player number 7, Rojas Oriental Mindoro, 23, serving 19. Player number 13 on the service line, Daguno, serving. One to play. Tamba, player number 18, Team Kulasi. Substitution, 7 out, 9 in. Hechanova on the service line, player number 9, Team Kulasi. Sharp cross, Ganoria, player number 3, Rojas Oriental Mindoro. Substitution, 7 out, 2 in. (24) serving 20. We have player number 2 on the service line. Smart play, player number 20. Aloro, Team Kulasi, 21 serving 24. Denied by the net. Points for Team Oriental Mindoro, 25 serving 21. Substitution, 25 out, 4 in. Player number 16, Dipasupil. Down the line, Aloro, player number 20. Kulasi, 22 serving 25. Tamba on the service line, player number 18 serving. Block by player number 2, Gayumali, Team Kulasi, 23 serving 25. Still on the service line is Tamba. Attack error, points for Team Kulasi, 24 serving 25. Still serving is Tamba. Nakaabang si Tamba sa likuran, inangat ang bola to Gayumali outside. Points for Rojas Oriental Mindoro. 26, serving 24. 13 out, 5 in. Player number 3, Ganoria on the service line. Inside, nice attack there by player number 20. 9 out, 7 in, Team Kulasi. Aloro on the service line for Team Kulasi, serving. Through the block, points for Rojas Oriental Mindoro, 27, serving 25. Substitution, 4 out, 12, Castillo in. Castillo on the service line. Puntos mula kay Gayo Mali, player number 2, Kulasi, 25, serving 27. Nangatang bola to center. There's Gayo Mali. Ball still good. Player number 3 to player number 5. Drop the ball. Nakaabang. Itinaas kay player number 28 to Gayo Mali. Binalik by player number 7, Gabayno. Warning, serving 26. Player number 15, Anyayahan on the service line. Next game, Kulasi, Apaam versus Wild Card.